All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, and let's see. Out of the gate, I'm getting a short on natural gas. Let's take a look at natural gas. All right, so we're going to take a short here on the natural gas. All right, target on natural gas. Okay, I'm going to look at a profit target down here at 37.45. 37.45. All right, that's going to be my profit target, 37.45. Add on, if we can bounce up to 38.44, I want to go ahead and add to that short. My reversal is going to be at 38.95. All right, so we have a short of natural gas. Everything else is going up. We, of course, RTY, which is our mini Russell. We'll continue to watch the indices. Continue to watch mini Russell this morning. Also on the small S&P, mini S&P, ES, gold, GC, of course, NG for natural gas. Continue to watch Tesla for our stock. And on Bitcoin, BTC, and of course on our currencies, Aussie, US, Euro, US, and the US yen. And let's check on the currencies. All right, I see a short coming up here on the Euro US. All right, I like this 23 short on the Euro US, so take a short on the Euro US. All right, I am already out of that Euro US. That was a nice little trade. All right, still short natural gas. Let's see what else we have this morning. All the indices are going up. We've got, let's see here. Looks like we're going to get a higher opening on the Dow this morning. Right now, the mini Dow is up 187. way out of the euro. Once again, our target, we're short gas. Target is 37.45. If I can get a bounce, or if it does bounce, I'm going to add up here on this natural gas. All right, looks like they're going to continue to push this euro lower. And looks like wants to continue to go higher, but I don't have any new setups on that. It's right now just short natural gas. I'm going to add on. This gas comes up here. I'm going to go ahead and add on. Now this 38, let's see. Yeah, this 38.45 this is a good area to either add to your initial short and or take on a new position. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add additional one here. So this is a much lower add-on here in terms of risk to reward. So now I'm looking at a 2-to-1. Now if we do come up to 38.95, I'm going to take go ahead and reverse and buy that natural gas. This is called the pairing pattern short. We're in the pairing pattern short, which is one of our patterns. But if we hit this 38.95, that's going to put me into what we call an HF1 buy, which is my strongest pattern. So I definitely do want to buy there. But right now I am short. I've added on. Okay, getting a short on the gold, getting a short on the E-mini S&P. Gold's already moving pretty quick here, but I'll go ahead and give you a target. And target's going to be around 1897. And then my short on the E-mini S&P. This is just going to be a pairing pattern short. Brings me down to 399.97. Reversal on that small S&P is going to be 4016. Reversal on gold going to bring me up to 1906. All right, so pretty much short on everything here. Short natural gas, short the E-mini S&P, short gold.
Profit target hit.
All right, so we did hit target on gold. Still long the, I'm sorry, still short the E-mini S&P target of 39.97. Still short natural gas.
Profit target hit.
All right, hit target on the E-mini S&P. So that just leaves us still short gold. I'm sorry, short natural gas. We are, we did add on that natural gas. Still a good area to add on short. All right, so once again, still looking for a higher opening on the Dow. Right now, we've got that. Ooh, well, got the small Dow only a 40 right now. Now it's come off quite a bit, and we may end up being down here by the time of the opening. So we're gonna watch, keep an eye on that right now. But all the indices are still up. Not much, but they're up. It's a pretty big pullback though off of its highs. All right, getting a trigger now also short on the mini Russell. All right, so my profit target on mini Russell is going to bring me down to 1854. This is going to be what we call an HF2 short. HF2 short worth a reversal of 1869. That'll put me into an HF1 buy. 1869. If we want to add on and or establish an initial trade, it's going to be up here around the 64, 65. All right, so we have a short going on right now. Now on the mini Russell, continue to hold short on the gas. Reversal on gas, 38.95. It's going to be an HF1 buy. Short on Russell, on the mini Russell target, 1854.
Profit target hit.
Okay, so we just reversed here, actually. We just reversed on the natural gas out of our short. Now, this is going to be an HF1 buy. I do like these. So I'm going to go ahead and take a buy here on this natural gas. Okay, my target's going to be up here at 39.45. $39.45 is going to be my profit target. Now I'm going to add on at if we pull back down to 85 and then reversal. Reversal is going to be the 37.95. All right, so reversed. Still short on the E-mini, E-mini Russell, small muscle, mini Russell. Reversed on natural gas, long natural gas. Don't see anything. We're already out of the small E-mini S&P. Out of gold. Nothing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it's going to continue to come down. Not seeing anything on Tesla this morning.
Shoulder recorded 0.2 of a mile away on Sam Rayburn Tollway N, 28 seconds ago. 8 thumbs up.
All right. All right, so let's see here. We are getting a buy on the E-mini S&P. Getting a buy on the E-mini S&P. Target's going to bring me up to 40.0975. Reversal is going to bring me down to 39.91.
Reverse sell.
Let's get that in there again here. 39.91. All right, so we got a E-mini long. We have a Russell, mini Russell long. Got a natural gas long. Okay, I like this. This natural gas is what we call an HF1 buy. Do like HF1s. Target's going to be 39.45. We are getting closer. Yeah, Thursdays is one of my favorite days to trade. I do like the movement on Thursdays. Okay, there's the opening bell. Market's up 80. Yeah, it's up 99, up 109.
Reverse sell.
Okay, so I like this HF1 short. Going to be HF1 short on the S&P. HF1 short. Watch for an HF1 short coming up on the Russell.
Profit target hit.
All right, hit target on natural gas. Gonna get out of this natural gas. Okay, now we're short the, now we are short the RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. All right, target on this S&P, E-mini S&P is going to bring us down to 39.48, 39.84, 39.84 and a half.
Profit target hit.
All right, we did hit target on the small S&P. Gonna get out of that. All right, remaining short on the mini Russell. Let's get a target on this mini Russell. All right, I can see the mini Russell coming down to this 1849. Dow's down 21. All the indices are down. All right, just holding short on our mini Russell, out of the ES short already. And that is it. Let's take a look at these currencies. Don't see anything on the currencies quite yet. All right, so we have the Dow down 43, mini Dow's down 72. Continue to hold short on our mini Russell here, RTY. Good morning, Tom. How are you this morning, sir? Okay, RTY is getting closer to its profit target down here. Okay, so got a question about it. It doesn't. You can trade Nadex. You can trade on any exchange you like. There is no. I do like Nadex, but you can trade any exchange that you like. It doesn't matter. Everything that we do is based off of spot price. All right, I'm just about ready. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this. Taking profit down here on R2Y.
Profit target hit.
All right, so now we are flat. We don't have anything on. We are flat. All right, so Dow's down 145. Man, it really came off its highs this morning. Let's see. So we're flat across the board. Nothing on Tesla still. Nothing on Bitcoin. Yeah, there is enough room to trade traditional stocks. In fact, we're going to be getting into a lot more stocks next week. We're going to have a morning just devoted to each one of these. What I teach is I teach something that I developed over 35 years ago. They're called behavioral patterns. They're not traditional chart patterns, not candlestick patterns. And these patterns are good at, depending on, they're good with any market that you trade. So I'll be doing one with stocks next week. We'll be doing one just with the indices. We'll be doing one with just with Forex, if you like Forex. So if you are a stock trader, then I think you'd enjoy that next week. If you're on my email list, you'll be notified of that. Also, let's see here. All right, just checking some of these stocks. I don't see anything here. Also, we have a day devoted just to commodities, so those who like to trade futures. We will be doing that as well. This morning, we're just doing a little bit of everything. We've got our indices. We've got our mini Russell, mini S&P. We've got gold. We've got natural gas. We've got some Forex down here. Got our Tesla stock we're watching Bitcoin. All right, I'm just flat across the board. I don't have anything on right now. No new positions. Yeah, I don't, it is, and I don't, so with Nadex, we're not going to be trading individual stocks. With Nadex, we're going to be trading the indices. Actually, I prefer to trade an indice over an individual stock. All right, so we're trading the indices. I'm using something called knockouts when we're trading indices with Nadex. And then when we start trading traditional stocks, and obviously you don't trade on Nadex. But you can trade through, anybody you would like to trade through. If you're if you're a stock trader, you can trade through anybody. What stocks do you like to trade? Albert, what stocks do you like to trade? I'll be glad to take a look at one for you. Man, I still don't see anything here. Still looks like this RTY wants to come down further. Baba, you like Baba? Let me take a look at Baba real quick. Be glad to. Take a look at Baba for you. I don't see anything on Baba. I just show Baba going down. We did have a short earlier this morning. The short came out on Baba at, let me take a look at this here. And this would have been before, yeah, this would have been before the opening bell. 113.70, and I don't see any buying opportunities here yet. But I'll leave that up for you. All right, still pretty quiet. Don't have any new positions. Dow's still down 146, 150. Currencies are continuing coming down. I see further downward movement over here on the Aussie US. All right, let me give you some levels here on the Aussie US. I do show it going lower. I don't have any trades on, but I could see it coming down to this 68.79. Somewhere in that area down there. And then the next level beyond that take me down to here around the 60, 68, 60, somewhere in this area. Yes, Albert, it is. It is. It is. And I do like, I'm very much of a short-term trader. I do like to trade short-term. I use 1 minute and 5 minute charts. But I use patterns. I don't trade like what you're probably used to seeing people trade. I don't use indicators. You can't use an indicator when you're trading as far as entries and exits. If you trade, the institutions do look at some of your most popular indicators just to see where orders are so they can flush them out. But I know all the traders that I know that do this for a living do not use indicators or price action. So what this is a combination of my own unique behavioral patterns. I call them behavioral patterns. You can learn more about that on my YouTube channel. There's an intro video. I talk about that and the whole philosophy behind it. And that in combination with price action is what I do. No indicators. Where'd that come from? It's gonna be the platinum, but once again, it's important. I teach all the core patterns in the silver package, but the trade stocks, platinum definitely, because with stocks, okay, which I'm demonstrating here with the mini Russell and the ES, is I'm using something called Einstein. I do talk about Einstein. It wasn't something that I personally developed. It was a formula developed by a very successful trader back in the 80s who was a very short-term trader, traded the S&P 500 and treasury bonds, but it does work across the board. What the formula does is it gives a real strong indication of where the market is going to go. So I guess the best analogy would be if you think of a car going down the road at a certain speed and it slams on its brakes, well, it's still going to continue to move in that direction, okay, up to some point before it stops. It's kind of the same way. The formula is kind of calculating that momentum, that speed, And then after it hits a certain speed, so to speak, then I know we can enter with the idea that even if we have a lot of opposite orders coming in, it's still going to slide and go to a certain direction. That's kind of the way it works, if that makes sense. So the formula in combination with my patterns are a really strong combination. I teach Einstein in the Platinum package. All right. If you're just looking for setups, behavioral patterns, that's going to be more time sensitive. So in other words, when I get into a trade, I won't hold it longer than 5 minutes. That's all taught in the Silver package. All right, so let's take a look here real quick. I am getting a buy on the E-mini S&P. And we've got about a minute to go here before we move over to our live trading room with our subscribers. But let me go ahead and throw this out for everybody. All right, so price target on the E-mini is going to bring us up to 39.78. And yeah, I don't see anything else on anything else. Oh, I do see Tesla. One more. Let me give you Tesla. I see Tesla coming up to 118.75, 118.77. Anywhere up there is good. All right, so that's going to wrap up the free broadcast. We'll continue on in our live trading room for the next 2 hours. Continue to live trade.
Profit target hit.
Tesla, that was fast on Tesla. Tesla already hit its target. Okay, so that's it. Long the ES going into our live chat room. Target, once again, 39.78. Have any questions, you can always go to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. A lot of good videos on my YouTube channel as well. And if you have any specific questions, you can get a hold of me via my website. I do answer all of my emails. And we're just about, all right, so there you go. The E-mini S&P just hit its target. So that's it, folks. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow on Friday. One more day here of trading for the week. Everybody have a good day. Be careful, and we'll see you tomorrow.